Hello everyone, thank you for tuning Protecstation. It's great to see you all. Kiddos in every early stages of life have different developmental stages, especially good practice of personal oral hygiene. That is why great to start early to let them practice oral care, which will help prevent cavities. Today I would like to share to you all this Arpha Kids Smart Sonic Electric Toothbrush with yellow light wave. Comes in two different colors, blue and pink. Designed for kids in different stages such as toddler all the way up to 8+ years old. With its cute and interesting ergonomics design, encourage kids to build up interest and start early practicing oral care by themselves. The anti-allergy yellow lights clean efficiently designed to protect your baby's dental health. Fun light check-in design help to develop a good dental brushing habit. With a 2-minute start timing, 30-second position switch reminder, wireless charging base, and IPX7 waterproof rating toothbrush, battery life up to 60 days for average twice-a-day brushing before charging. Total of 3 brush heads for different developmental stages. It also comes with interesting, fun packaging, creates a great introduction for kids to get to know the smart toothbrush. Also great for gifts for other kiddos other than buying traditional toys that doesn't add personal value for personal oral hygiene. So there you have it. This is the Arpha Kids Smart Sonic Toothbrush. Arpha also makes great surveillance camera that doesn't require subscription. I will be leaving links on the bottom of the description for both items, so if you're interested, curious, or would like to learn more, please feel free to check them out. And if you like the video and would like to support the channel, please do me a favor and help me smash that like button. It really does help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. If you like unboxing tech reviews, tips and tricks and all that good stuff, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. That way when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram and all the other social media platform. I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning Protecstation. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning Protecstation.